Hello and welcome. Today we're going to be growing peas in gutters. Nothing special, just ordinary guttering, no drainage holes or anything. Adjust your watering accordingly. First thing you want to do is get your pots on either end, stop the compost falling out. I usually pre-soak my compost for peas, so this compost is already wet. So we actually did a wee experiment between pre-soaked seeds and non-pre-soaked seeds. And it wasn't the most scientific test, but for us there wasn't really much of a difference. They came up exactly the same time. Mine on a zigzag pattern. Be as neat or as brutish as you want to be. If you haven't pre-soaked your compost, this is when you want to water them before you put the next layer on. You just top them up, label it and date it. Should take about 2 or 3 weeks' time. Now what I've done here is I've actually got straw underneath this top layer, so rather than having to dig, I can just press the compost straight in to make a roughly drain pipe shaped dent in the soil. You'll also see I've got onion seedlings here. I highly recommend putting your peas in, then putting seedlings around them, not the other way around. But I like to do it the difficult, complicated way for no reason sometimes. So what we want to try and do here is to loosen the roots all the way up the drain pipe. And the plan is that they'll all come out as one mass. Now, this doesn't always happen in this far from perfect world that we live in. But it's obviously a lot easier here because I'm using a really short piece of drain pipe. Very different matter when you're using 5 foot of drain pipe. Though there's nothing stopping you using 5 1-foot pieces instead. That's what I would do, it makes it a lot easier. Fill any gaps with compost or topsoil. And then you're good to go. You're just going to need a good soaking. Thanks for watching, and I hope you all have a great pea harvest this year.